Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to do one of my last minute Christmas DIYs, and I'm calling it a Christmas DIY because what I'll be using to decorate it. Once I build this, you'll be able to use it throughout the entire year. Okay, so let's get started. First thing you'll need is 3 of these signs. They might have some more with different sayings on it, but I found 3 that says love, and it says wall decor. There's a skew. Okay, so you'll need 3 of these signs. The first thing I want to do is go ahead and pull this off. And I want to go ahead and remove these as well. And then just go ahead and remove this too. You want to do that to all 3 pieces. So now I'll go ahead and take off the little bit of glue residue that's on the front. I removed the residue from all 3 pieces and the back as well. So now I'm going to take 2 of these pieces outside and then spray paint them silver and then come back. I have 6 of these square mirrors from Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is remove the feet and the label from all 6. And it's really simple. I'm just going to use this blade from Dollar Tree as well. So I've removed them from all 6 mirrors, and I also have 2 more mirrors, and I've removed the label and the feet from these as well. Now these are different. I didn't really choose it to be that way, but it'll work just fine. So in all you will need 8. Okay guys, so here's one of my panels, and I'm going to decorate both panels the same way. I have my hot glue, and I have 3 of the mirrors, and I have a... So what I'm going to do is glue 1 right in the center, and then 1 on each end. Okay, so now I want to measure. Alright, so now I have this centered. I'm just going to mark it. This is the only one that I need to mark. Now I put some of my Gorilla Glue on the back. And then a little bit of hot glue. And now I need to work really fast. And now I'll glue down the other 2. Alright, just like that. So now I'll take some diamond bling and fill in here and here. So now I'll measure and then cut. Now I'll take some more of my glue and put it down. I've added it here and here. Now I'll add 2 strips of bling right above each mirror. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'll do the other one on camera and then come back. Okay guys, I'm back, and here are the 2 pieces. What I'm building is a rectangular flower box, and these will be the sides. This strip will be on the top. What I want to do is glue this right on top of here. So I'm going to line this up, take a pen or a pencil, and draw a line. Now I'm going to take some of my tower blocks. It comes in this box at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to line this up along here. Add a little bit of glue, hot glue. And I left a little bit of space here because I might end up putting a block here on the end. So we're going to leave that there. And just repeat the steps over and over. I have this heavy container of resin. I want to use this to hold up the side of my flower box while it dries. Alright, so what I'm going to do is put my glue on each block. It just occurred to me to go ahead and reinforce each one of my blocks with some hot glue on the inside. And now I add some hot glue to each block. Now I'll take more hot glue. Now I'll take this other bottle. I'm going to do the same thing for this side as well. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit for a few hours. And then I'll come back and close in both of the sides. Okay guys, I went ahead and put this end up. I simply put 2 blocks here and then glued my mirror to the boxes and to the sides here. So let's do that. Again, I'm going to use my Gorilla Glue along. Let's put a little bit of glue on this side as well. I didn't leave enough space for this block, so I'm going to turn the block this way. And bring it all the way to the edge, just like that. So make sure you leave enough space on each side of your box for your other blocks. Here's my mirror. Now I'm going to add some glue here. Now I'll put some glue here and here. You want to hold this to the top because it won't go all the way down to the bottom, okay? Hold it there until the hot glue sets up. Go in and reinforce it with hot glue. You're going to have an open space down here. I'll address that in a minute. Now I'll add some masking tape. I like to secure things while they dry. So what I'm going to do now is cut 4 rows of my diamond bling and glue it across here. Okay guys, I'm back, and off camera I went ahead and went right here and painted it silver. Now, so what I would suggest is to go ahead and spray paint the outer parts of the bottom piece silver as well, just to avoid having to do this later. So what I'm going to do is take 1 row of bling and fill in those spaces. I'll do this side and then. So the next thing I want to do is go ahead and remove this tape. Alright, so what I want to do now is put a strip of bling across here, and I'm going to go with 3 rows of my diamond bling. Now this can be done with the mesh bling from Dollar Tree or totallydazzled.com, and it can also be done with mirror towel. Now I'm going to take 2 rows of the diamond bling and go down on each side of these end mirrors. Add some strips of bling to the top of the box as well. This is what we have on the top. And again, this is what we have on the inside. And of course, we are going to fill it with flowers and foam. Now I'll go in with some silver paint across the top because I just don't want that brown edge to show. So I have this paint. So let's just go in and paint just inside the top of the box. I'm gonna let that dry and then go over a second time. And then I think I'll do it to the mirror as well. Okay, so now I'll flip this over and add some knobs to the bottom to make some really pretty feet. Now let's just put a piece of tape to hold it in place while I flip this over. Now let's flip this over really fast. So now I'll allow this to dry overnight, and then we'll come back and add our flour. And here's my completed flower box with my Dollar Tree Christmas flowers. And as you can see, I have it on my dining room table along with my Dollar Tree snowflake plates. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays!